In today's video, we're going to be installing a keyless entry security system and remote start in this first generation Ford Lightning. Alright, as you can tell, this Lightning is mega clean. It's pretty badass, actually. But yeah, it's missing a security system, and we're going with Avital. It's security, keyless, and remote start. You got a brain, you got the two-way remote right here, your siren, cabling with the antenna. Some cabling, and this one comes with the external shock sensor. The benefit to this is that these guys have less false alarms, okay? Right? The goal is to keep this nice and neat, and it's gonna come out nice and neat, I promise. Got some of the prep work done. You can already tell things are getting better. Just use some of that test tape. You need to go and test in the car. And I recommend you look at some of the, and there's a little needle, I guess you can say, that pierces the wire right here when you turn this knob, okay? So you can stick it, pretty much clip it onto anything you want to test, and then turn it, and it'll pierce the wire. Okay, that makes things really easy. Okay, so right over here. So yeah, 12 volts, or you can use it with the test light, and it should light up red. Right, because with the test light, I like to poke my finger, and that doesn't feel very good. The attack wire and the siren wire, I'm gonna run the wiring through this grommet that's already been drilled here, and I'll mount the siren probably. All right, so this is nice and clean. Should be real easy to install now that we got it all prepped up nice and neat. So come in here, plug in that antenna. Alright, so the remote start security is all done on this nice clean Lightning. Go ahead and lock it. Gives me the notification on the remote here that it's locked. Alright, get the parking lights to flash. You got to give it about 10 seconds before it's fully armed, and then you're ready to go. As far as the shock sensor and the door notifications and things like that, everything will pop up right here on this remote. Now if we want to remote start it, all I do is just press and hold down the start button. Give me a little flash. She'll start right up. Want to cut her off? Same thing, press and hold it down. At this door. You just hit the lock button, it'll cut it off. It notifies you on the remote. Notifies you unlock too. Okay. And it's notified us here that we've actually had like a alarm that's actually gone off. All right, that's it for the remote start. Got it installed. Hope the video wasn't too boring, but yeah, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. Everything in the video will be down in the description box as far as all the stuff we used. And yeah, questions, hit me up, and check out the rest of the channel if you want to see what's going on. I really appreciate you guys joining me for this one. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend. Later.